Hi guys, Emma here. For today's video, I'm gonna share how to draw Korean style eyebrows. So that's the reason I look kind of weird, look like alien. The reason why I decided to film this video because I've got some compliments from others about my eyebrows, and I switched it up a little bit, the way how I draw my eyebrows, and I recently got a new eyebrow product. I usually used a Para one before, but that's a little darker, so I switched my eyebrow pencil. I'm gonna show you. This eyebrow pencil is from Ethude house, and the name of it is Ethude Drawing Eyebrow Pencil, and the shade is 03 Natural Brown. It perfectly matches with my hair color. It's a little like reddish brown compared to other natural brown color of other brands, so I'm really happy about it. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get started. So first things first, I want to mention the importance of trimming your eyebrows. I got it from Olivia. Some people pull out their eyebrows, but I feel like that's too much painful for me and that takes too much time and effort. So I prefer to use this kind of knife. So whenever you trim your eyebrows, the most important thing is don't make it sharp. Koreans really like straight and thick eyebrows compared to Westerners. So you can see, it's my natural eyebrows. I just trim a little bit underneath of my eyebrows. Yeah, I'm not really hairy person, so that's the reason why I look kind of weird, because I don't have thick eyebrows. So for me, eyebrow pencil is like my go-to item and my oasis. So that's the reason I use the pre-quickly eyebrow pencil. So the first tip is trim your eyebrows as less as possible you can. And don't make them as archy and sharp. Just make them straight. When I was in Canada, I was really into make my eyebrows sharp and thin. Always my mom got into such as, oh, you have to change your eyebrows. That's too thin. Yeah, but I think thick eyebrows look better on me. So if you draw your eyebrows like Korean style, you look younger and innocent. We love kind of innocent and girly look. So yeah, that's the good thing because you look younger by just changing the shape of your eyebrows. And the second tip I want to mention is when you choose an eyebrow pencil, it's really important to match the color of eyebrow pencil with your hair color or a little bit darker. Don't use light color eyebrow pencil. Doesn't make sense. It's better to use darker one if you don't have many options. I really like the tip of this eyebrow pencil. It's a little bit like tilted shape. So it's really easy to draw. So let's just fill it out. So the whole point is look natural and innocent and young. Actually, it's really hard to draw eyebrow pencil by just using the viewfinder. You can see, not too much dark or too much light. And it's just like $7. So I'm kind of impressed about the quality of this product. And it's really like soft texture, so easy to draw. Yeah, so fill it out. And don't make it too much archy. Make it straight and thick. And just brush it out to make it look more natural. You can see the line is straight and it's quite thick. It's not archy or sharp. So I'm gonna fill in the opposite side. And the other tip I want to share is it's better to draw the shape at first and then fill it out. So this is the final look. Finally, I look like a human being. So it's really basic and simple tip. If you want to change your makeup game, I highly recommend to change the shape of your eyebrows. Changing your eyebrow shape is a really small change, but that's gonna make a big difference. You can see, I look like, human being. Before, I looked like a freaking alien. So I think eyebrows are really important, and I just want to talk about the difference between Western makeup style and Korean makeup style. Yeah, so that's all I want to share for today's video. And I'm really into this eyebrow pencil, so if you guys are interested in, I put the link in my description box below, so you can definitely check it out in case if you're interested in. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. It's kind of quick and simple video, but I really like to talk about makeup products. In my opinion, small changes make a big difference. So if you're interested in Korean beauty, or if you just want to know how to draw your eyebrows better, I hope this video is somewhat helpful for you. And if you guys are new, I'm Emma. So if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram. Anyway, the weather is really hot and it's hard to go outside because of the virus. So this is like playing around with many beauty products at home, and that really inspires me to make new videos. So I hope you like it and think that many people are really interested in Korean beauty. That's really fascinating for me. I always think about what kind of information and what kind of values I can give to others on my channel. Maybe I can share more about that. I mean, Korean beauty, K-beauty, if you guys interested in. So as always, I hope you guys have a beautiful, wonderful, and great day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Hey yo. Hey